Hello friends, how are you all? I hope all are doing good. See friends, I going to discuss in detail about how to score more in banking awareness. See friends, after giving preliminary examination, we only see we need to get selected in final list. Okay, for that one, what we need to do? Anyhow, we going to clear preliminary examinations, but we unable to crack mains examination. So many people they were losing because of this section, that is banking awareness. It is one of the easiest subjects, but we are losing marks in it. See friends, how to start preparing for banking awareness I will going to discuss in detail in this video. See friends, banking awareness means we should categorize three types. One is first one static gk, second one banking awareness, and third one current affairs. So which are the topics comes under static gk we going to see. See friends, in banking all examinations we can see one or two questions from capital and currencies of all nations. Okay, so the two recent things, Modi sir, wherever he goes, that is important, where he visits that place, which country, and that country currency and capital and pm or president of that particular country, it is very very important. Again, second one national parks. So almost around 130 national parks were there. You have to go through it once. If you not able to remember means go through video sessions, those will help you a lot. Okay, definitely will help you. Wildlife sanctuaries more than 500 are there. So what I am telling, what I am suggesting you, don't go for those many, but you try to remember at least 100 very important one. Okay, then next one it is thermal power plants. So thermal power plants, you have to remember only 7 to 8 are there. 7 to 8 thermal power plants only there, and nuclear power plants. So very very important, you going to we going to expect one not one question from this thermal power plants. Okay, and one more thing, rivers and dams, very very important. They will ask so and so river where it is, or so and so dam where it is. Okay, next we going to see further. See friends, riverside cities they going to us, and airports in India. Total airports, hardly 35 to 40 airports are there. Very very important. Kampagowda, Chidambaram, again Indira Gandhi. Okay, Nehru Stadium. Again stadiums. When it comes to stadiums, you have to go through all stadiums, and the two some important stadiums which are located in foreign countries also you go through it. And in India hardly some 40 stadiums only there, you go through once it, you can remember easily. After then list of lakes in India. Okay, very very important, lakes also. Sometimes they going to ask one question from lakes or tiger reserves from India, one question we can expect here. Again then all international organizations and their headquarters. Okay, like World Health Organization, World Trade Organization, International Monetary Funds, Asian Development Bank or World Bank, their headquarters. Okay, very very important. So these are the topics we can expect at least 8 to 9 question in all examination. 8 to 9 question in all bank examination. Okay, next we going to see banking awareness. Here see friends, banking awareness means you have to go through all banks headquarters and their taglines. Okay, if syndicate bank is there, syndicate bank tagline what it is, friendly and faithful nature. So now syndicate bank merged with which bank, Canara Bank. So they, what is Canara Bank tagline, together we can. So like that SBI, each and every individual bank they have some taglines. So you have to go through once taglines and their head offices. Not only in India, some foreign banks also there, go through their headquarters, very very important. Sometimes they are going to ask foreign bank headquarters also. Okay, after then you going to read this thing, banking history, who is our first governor. Okay, and when banking act started, when banking regulation act started. Okay, and when what is negotiable instrument act, all these things, many things are there, Sarfasi act, all this you have to go through banking history. And then it comes to important abbreviations. All banking acts you have to go, and important abbreviations. What are the important abbreviations means IMPS, NEFT. See friends here, CRR, SLR, sometimes they're going to ask abbreviations also. Okay, abbreviations we can expect 2 to 3 questions. 2 to 3. Last time they were asked for what is UPI. Okay, so new introductions, whatever the new introduction and new things were happening in banking, you just go through those abbreviations which definitely we can expect from those changes. Okay, see here all important terms like CRR, SLR, IFSC code, NEFT, RTGS, IMPS, CRL, like this. What is minimum limit for NEFT? NEFT there is no restriction we can do, but RTGS we have minimum limit 2 lakhs and more only we can do RTGS. 2 lakhs or above 2 lakhs we have to do RTGS. Like this we can expect questions from banking awareness. Okay, banking we can expect some 5 to 7 questions in all examinations. Then next one friends, very important one, current affairs. So current affairs how to start means, see friends, there is some technique. So don't go through all notes, but wherever you feel like appointments, deaths, books and important books, again future events. Remember friends, future events like Olympics, so Olympic tagline you have to remember, and future events whatever it may be, we have some taglines for future events, right? And what we have, themes also we have, go through it, and important dates and important themes for those dates. Okay, these are the main current affairs we can expect from these things. 2 to 3 questions. Okay, 2 to 3 questions from those things. And any important thing which are happening like schemes, and again any bank related issues like something some bank is going to launch, or in future something they are going to do, all those things very very important. You just read for 6 months current affairs, that is enough. 6 months current affairs, these current affairs are very very important. Last 6 months, today we have exams, you go through last before 6 months current affairs, this is enough. So you have to segregate like this and you have to read, you will score better marks. You can score 30 plus in any examination. You can score 30 plus score in any examination. See friends, so reading part we can do, right? But the only one thing that we can't remember whatever we read so far, right? So what we have to do for this one, we need to remember means first to go through some notes. Okay, then again you have to revision that one. Okay, what you have to do, again revision that one. If you have been read some questions means whatever 10 questions or 20 questions whatever it may be, first revision it. Okay, one time again you have to revision, then you start next page. Okay, again you have to revision this first page and second page, like that you have to revision and go forward. If you read and you can leave now, you can't remember anything. So this is the best way of technique. You read once and go through revision, again read once and go through revision, read once, go through revision, like that you have to do before examination at least 5 to 7 times. And what you have to do, if you are unable to remember, if you are doing same also, then what you have to do one thing friends, all we are using smart mobile phones. Wherever you are not remembering that point, just put one voice recorder and try to record that important point. Wherever you are not getting that point, you try to record that one, like that all points you can prepare notes and record it. And you can again put earphones and start listening to your voice. You can score 100%. Okay, you can believe me, you can score maximum marks in GS section. If you score maximum marks in GS questions, you can crack RRBPO, SBI clerk, again IBPS PO, IBPS clerk, any exam you can crack easily. But one thing you have to do, that you have to do only general awareness. That too we don't have SBI sectional cutoff, oral cutoff only matters. So reasoning it is easy means for everyone it is easy only, tough means it is tough for everyone. But only one thing that topper can do always, that is this section GS is very important. Just make notes of all these things daily, you have to go through it before examination. Anyhow, SBI clerk results going to be out at any cost. Okay, don't wait for a result, just start your preparation. All the best for you guys. And if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye friends.